Guardian of the skies, the F-16I Sufa. The F-16I Sufa stands as a symbol of Israeli air power. This advanced fighter jet is a testament to technological innovation and strategic collaboration. The Sufa, meaning storm in Hebrew, is aptly named. It is a force of nature, capable of dominating the skies and safeguarding Israel's airspace. The F-16I is a critical component of Israel's defense strategy. It embodies the nation's commitment to staying ahead in a volatile region. Developed through a unique partnership between Israel and the United States, the F-16I combines American engineering with Israeli ingenuity. The result is a fighter jet tailored to meet Israel's specific security challenges. The F-16I is more than just a machine. It represents the skill and dedication of the Israeli Air Force pilots. These individuals undergo rigorous training to master the aircraft's capabilities. The F-16I, with its advanced sensors and weaponry, forms a crucial line of defense. The Sufa is a guardian of the skies, a symbol of Israel's unwavering commitment to its own survival. A necessity, not a choice. Air superiority for Israel. Israel's geopolitical reality makes air superiority not just an advantage but a necessity. Surrounded by potential adversaries, Israel has learned the hard way that control of the skies is paramount to survival. Since its founding, Israel has faced constant security threats. Its small size and lack of strategic depth make it vulnerable to attack. Air power is a force multiplier, allowing Israel to project force and defend itself effectively. The ability to control the airspace has been crucial in every conflict Israel has fought. The IAF played a decisive role in the Six-Day War of 1967, decimating the air forces of Egypt, Syria, and Jordan in a preemptive strike. This lightning victory demonstrated the critical importance of air superiority in modern warfare. The IAF acts as a deterrent, discouraging potential aggressors from launching attacks. The IAF's success is not just about technology, it's about strategy and doctrine. The IAF has honed its skills in preemptive strikes, air interdiction, and close air support. Its pilots are renowned for their precision and tactical acumen. The IAF's commitment to air superiority is unwavering. A special bond, the birth of the Sufa. The F-16I Sufa is a product of a unique and enduring partnership between the United States and Israel. This collaboration, spanning decades, reflects shared strategic interests and a deep mutual understanding. The United States has been a steadfast ally of Israel since its founding. This alliance is based on shared values and a common commitment to democracy and security. The relationship extends beyond military hardware, encompassing intelligence sharing, joint exercises, and diplomatic cooperation. The origins of the F-16I can be traced back to the 1990s when Israel sought to modernize its aging fleet of fighter jets. The F-16, with its proven track record and adaptability, emerged as the ideal platform. The U.S., recognizing Israel's unique security needs, agreed to a special arrangement. Israel was given unprecedented access to the F-16's technology and the freedom to customize it to its specifications. Israeli engineers worked closely with their American counterparts to integrate advanced avionics, electronic warfare systems, and weaponry. This joint effort resulted in a fighter jet that surpassed the capabilities of any other F-16 variant in the world. The F-16I project was not without its challenges, but the commitment of both sides ensured its success. The F-16I Sufa stands as a testament to the strength of the U.S.-Israel alliance. Tailored for triumph, the Sufa's technical edge. The F-16I Sufa is not just another F-16, it's a highly customized and technologically advanced variant designed to meet Israel's unique operational requirements. The IAF, known for its emphasis on innovation, played a key role in shaping the Sufa's capabilities. The F-16I features a unique avionics suite that integrates seamlessly with Israeli-developed systems. This allows for unprecedented situational awareness and the ability to network with other platforms. The IAF's focus on electronic warfare is reflected in the Sufa's advanced electronic countermeasures. One of the most distinctive features of the F-16I is its conformal fuel tanks, which significantly extend the aircraft's range. This is crucial for Israel, which often conducts long-range missions. The ability to strike targets deep within enemy territory without refueling is a significant strategic advantage. The F-16I is powered by a more powerful engine than other F-16 variants, giving it exceptional thrust and maneuverability. The Sufa's radar system can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, even at long ranges. The F-16I's ability to carry a wide array of precision-guided munitions further enhances its lethality. From air-to-air missiles to laser-guided bombs, the Sufa can engage a variety of targets with pinpoint accuracy. The F-16I Sufa represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology and operational experience, tailored to maintain Israel's edge in a rapidly evolving threat environment. Agile Eagles, the IAF's operational doctrine. The Israeli Air Force, or IAF, is renowned for its operational doctrine, which emphasizes speed, surprise, and precision. This doctrine has been shaped by Israel's geopolitical realities and its experiences in numerous conflicts. The IAF understands that it cannot win a war of attrition, it must strike decisively and achieve its objectives quickly. The IAF's pilots are known for their skill and aggression. They are trained to exploit every opportunity and take calculated risks to achieve their missions. The IAF places a premium on initiative and independent decision-making. Pilots are empowered to make tactical decisions on the fly, adapting to changing circumstances. The IAF's operational doctrine is built around several key principles. The first is air superiority, recognizing that control of the skies is essential for all other operations. The second principle is preemption, striking first if an attack is imminent. The third principle is precision strike, utilizing advanced targeting systems and precision-guided munitions to minimize collateral damage. The IAF's effectiveness is a testament to its sound doctrine and the skill and dedication of its personnel. Armed to the teeth weaponry and systems of the F-16I, the F-16I Sufa is a formidable weapons platform, capable of delivering a wide range of ordnance with pinpoint accuracy. Its arsenal includes both Israeli-developed and American-made weaponry, reflecting the close collaboration between the two countries in the defense sector. The Sufa is equipped with a 20 mm cannon for close-range engagements, effective against both air and ground targets. The F-16I can carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, including the Israeli-made Python 5 and the American-made AIM-120 AMRAAM. These missiles give the Sufa both short-range and beyond visual range engagement capabilities. The F-16I's true strength lies in its ability to deliver precision-guided munitions. It can carry a variety of laser-guided bombs such as the Paveway series and GPS-guided bombs such as the JDAM. These weapons allow the Sufa to strike targets with incredible accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. The F-16Y is also capable of carrying standoff weapons, such as the Israeli-made Popeye missile. These weapons allow the Sufa to engage targets from a safe distance outside the range of enemy air defenses. The Sufa's electronic warfare suite includes radar warning receivers, chaff and flare dispensers, and electronic countermeasures pods. These systems help the Sufa evade enemy radar and missiles, increasing its survivability in contested airspace. The F-16Y Sufa is a true multi-role fighter, capable of air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, and electronic warfare. Securing the future, the strategic impact of the Sufa, the F-16I Sufa is more than just a fighter jet. It is a strategic asset that significantly enhances Israel's security and allows it to project power in a volatile region. The Sufa's advanced capabilities have altered the balance of power in the Middle East, deterring aggression and ensuring Israel's qualitative military edge. The F-16Y's long-range and precision strike capabilities give Israel the ability to conduct deep strikes against enemy targets. This has proven to be a significant deterrent against state and non-state actors alike. The Sufa's air superiority capabilities are unmatched in the region. Its advanced radar, electronic warfare systems, and maneuverability make it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat. The F-16I has played a crucial role in Israel's efforts to counter the proliferation of advanced weaponry in the region. The Sufa's versatility makes it an invaluable asset for the IAF. The F-16I Sufa is a symbol of Israel's technological prowess and its commitment to maintaining a strong defense posture.